Yung pinakamataas na klase na
Thank you, Cesar, for that
pagpapatawad.
wonderful question.
Na nagawa mo.
Ano ba to? Miss you, pang miss you.
I think yung magiging answer ko to that question is being able to forgive oneself for the times that you have let yourself down. Kasi that's something that I still struggle with, you know. I'm really hard on myself. I carry guilt really heavily upon myself. So having to forgive myself for all of the wrong things that I did, and you know how I hurt myself, how I let myself down, how I allowed people to walk all over me and all of that, and not demanding better for myself, and not talking about myself better. You know, having to forgive myself for that has been really difficult. So ayun, I think parang yun yung magiging sagot ko to that question.
Amen. Anybody still wants to answer po? Johnny? Para akong teacher na sinabi ko, Johnny.
I think yung answer ko po sa question na yan is forgiving people who hurt you.
Amen.
Mostly din po kasi, syempre na-hurt ka ng isang tao, for example. Tapos, nahihirapan kang i-forgive mo siya. So, syempre, mahihirapan ka definitely na ma-forgive yung taong yun.
Yes, and you definitely take the burden out of yourself. Bigyan naman natin ng chance si Miss Cecil sumagot. Oo.
Kanina pa ako isip ng isip. The best na yung mga sinabi niyo. Actually, yung forgiveness, for me, once na merong nagawang kasalanan sa yung isang tao na nag-cause ng grabing kumbaga pain and naapektuhan even your future right now. So, once na ma-remember mo lang yung sinasabi ni God na you have to learn how to forgive so that I will forgive you. So,
Amen.
Yun yung talagang sa heart ko.
Maraming. Ito minsan lang pwede ko bang pagbigyan to? Minsan lang po kasi natin sila marinig dahil lagi silang...
Sino gusto mo una?
Ako, I can start.
Mag-isip pa ako.
Ako, I can start. Oo, baka ma-inspire. Char. Okay, I think it's forgiving the people who hindi deserving na patawarin. I think that's the biggest kind of forgiveness. Yung patawarin yung mga taong hindi deserve na patawarin. At patawarin yung sarili mo dahil, ayaw ni Lord. Nag-stutter yung mic. Oo. Patawarin yung sarili mo dahil hinayaan mong saktan ka ng mga taong to. So I think that is the highest form of forgiveness that I was able to give. So that is only the moment that you can allow God to enter within you if you live in peace and love and no hate. Ayun. Next, direct.
Dagdag ko lang,
And
it's
I
not,
think-
thank you for that question and that observation. But something that was also present when we were structuring the film is that all the 7 capital sins are actually present in the film, and then the 7 values that contrast with it. So some are more pronounced than others for practical purposes, but that's also something that perhaps for the audience that might start a discussion about the film is if you can see that the characters represent, or the flaws represent, the 7 capital sins and the 7 values that contrast with them.
At mukhang napatawad naman din ako ni Lord sa pagkain ko.
Si Salome po yata may gusto ko i-share.
Wala na masagot, may nanalo na eh.